Hey, welcome back to Cuphead's Art, and let's draw another optical illusion on paper, and this time it's gonna be Cagney Carnation. So let's see how well this one turns out. So here's the process all sped up, and I'll be right back to show you how it looks at the end. Alright, so here is my optical illusion drawing, and as you can see it's pretty skewed, and as I turn it we'll find the right perspective so the mix like is coming off the ground. Right about there, I think it's pretty good. Alright, so that's it for this optical illusion. Hope you guys like the effects that I create, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and share the video if you can, and I will see you next time.